In this video, I'm going to show you how to add noise in Krita. So there's a bunch of different ways to do this. I'm going to show you two, which I do think are the easiest. So the first one is you want to add a new layer. So click on it over here, the plus button inside the layer menu, and it's going to add a new paint layer up top. Then what you want to do, you want to fill this with a neutral color. So whichever one you want. I'm going to go with light gray, and you want to use this fill tool and just click, and there we go. It's going to fill in like that. Now that's the first thing. Then you want to go and click on filter up top with the layer selected, go to other and click on the random noise. Here it's going to add on some noise. You could go ahead and change the level if you wanna. You could go and change the opacity as well. I'm going to leave this as 55 and not touch anything else. Then I'm going to click on OK. Now that's the second thing, and then what you have to do is just change the blending mode of this layer to something else, such as overlay, multiply, or soft light. So I'm gonna click on here, go to normal, and switch to overlay. And as you can see, this has actually put some noise onto my image. That's actually perfect, but of course I could put something else as well, like maybe multiply, which in this case doesn't really work. Depending on the image, it may work better if you put that. And you could put like soft light or something else, test them out, and you'll see which one works the best. Okay, for me it's going to be the overlay, and that's it. So that's of course the first way of doing it, but then you have like more advanced ways as well. So if I just go and delete this layer, you could click on your image or whatever you want to add noise to, and then you go to filter and you have this start gmake qt. So click on it, and from here you can see you can add noise as well. So we could go to search up top, type in noise, and you can find different noises in here. You can see the previews over here on the right. There's a bunch of different things you could do here. It's completely up to you however you want to do this. And again, yeah, there's a bunch of different options, so just go and play with these to actually achieve it. And then simply click on the apply button bottom right, wait for a few seconds, hit OK, and as you can see, this is going to add noise to your image as well. So those are the two ways. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.